Here are Grandpa's 37 hygiene hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Wash hair less to retain natural oils. Grandpa always said less washing keeps hair healthier. Cut back to 2 or 3 washes per week to allow natural oils to protect your hair. Use lukewarm water and massage your scalp to stimulate oil distribution. Brush with a boar bristle brush to spread oils from roots to ends. Overwashing strips the scalp's protective barrier, leading to dryness and irritation. Reducing washes prevents breakage, controls frizz, and strengthens hair naturally. If needed, apply dry shampoo for freshness without damage. Eat garlic for immunity. Did you know that garlic's allicin fights infections? Crush a clove and let it sit for 10 minutes to activate its antimicrobial power. Eat it raw, mix it with honey, or add it to meals. Allicin works by breaking down bacteria and enhancing immune defenses. Regular consumption helps reduce colds, improve circulation, and lower blood pressure. Opt for fresh garlic over processed versions for maximum benefits. If raw garlic is too strong, roast it to mellow the flavor while keeping its properties. Chew cloves for fresh breath. Chewing cloves naturally freshens breath. Place a whole clove in your mouth, bite gently, and let the oils release before spitting or swallowing. The antibacterial compounds kill odor-causing bacteria while leaving a pleasant spicy scent. Cloves also aid digestion, reducing gas and bloating. For a gentler approach, steep a few in hot water and drink as tea. Regular use helps combat bad breath long-term while soothing minor toothaches with its numbing effect. Use shikakai powder as body wash. Shikakai cleans skin without stripping moisture. Grandpa swore by this natural cleanser for soft, healthy skin. Mix a tablespoon of shikakai powder with water to form a paste. Apply it to damp skin. Scrub gently and rinse. Its saponins work as a natural soap, cleansing dirt while keeping skin hydrated. The antibacterial properties help prevent acne and body odor. Regular use improves skin texture without harsh chemicals. Apply alum or aftershave for cuts. Alum and aftershave stop bleeding instantly. Wet an alum block and rub it over minor cuts, or press aftershave-soaked cotton onto the wound. These astringents contract blood vessels, reducing bleeding and disinfecting the area. The antibacterial action prevents infections while promoting faster healing. Alum also soothes razor burns and irritation. Keep a block handy. It lasts for years and works better than most synthetic alternatives. If you don't have alum, a splash of witch hazel works similarly. Boil toothbrushes occasionally. Boil toothbrushes to kill bacteria and germs. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Then submerge the bristles for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove with tongs and let them air dry completely. Heat destroys harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi that accumulate over time. Avoid boiling for too long, as high heat can weaken the bristles. Repeat this process once a month for a cleaner toothbrush. If boiling isn't an option, soak in hydrogen peroxide or mouthwash for a similar effect. Clean nails with a toothbrush. Scrub nails with a toothbrush for deep cleaning. Apply soap or baking soda to a soft bristled brush. Then scrub under and around nails in circular motions. This removes dirt, oil, and bacteria trapped in crevices. A toothbrush's fine bristles reach areas that hand washing often misses. For stained nails, mix lemon juice and baking soda into a paste before scrubbing. Rinse well and moisturize to prevent dryness. Use cornstarch as body powder. Cornstarch absorbs moisture and prevents chafing. Dust it onto areas prone to sweat like underarms, thighs, and feet. Its fine particles wick away moisture, keeping skin dry and irritation-free. Unlike talcum powder, cornstarch is natural and free from harsh chemicals. Apply after a shower and before dressing for all-day freshness. Trim nose and ear hair. Keep nose and ear hair neat with regular trimming. Use a small pair of rounded scissors or an electric trimmer designed for delicate areas. Trim only the visible hairs to avoid irritation or injury. Excess hair traps dust and allergens, but over-trimming removes this natural filter. Always trim in good lighting and clean tools before and after use. A quick trim every 2 weeks keeps things tidy without overdoing it. Wear white undershirts for sweat absorption. White undershirts absorb sweat and protect outer layers. Choose cotton for breathability and moisture control. The fabric wicks sweat away, reducing stains on dress shirts or polos. A well-fitted undershirt also prevents deodorant buildup on clothing. To keep them fresh, wash with baking soda or vinegar to remove trapped odors. Opt for ribbed designs for extra comfort and durability. Wearing one daily keeps you looking sharp while extending the life of your wardrobe. Remove nail stains with lemon juice. Lemon juice naturally removes nail stains. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a small bowl and soak stained nails for 5 to 10 minutes. Use a soft brush or an old toothbrush to gently scrub the surface. Citric acid in lemons breaks down discoloration from polish, smoking, or daily wear. Rinse with warm water and moisturize to prevent dryness. For stubborn stains, mix lemon juice with baking soda to create a paste. Comb hair with Vaseline. Grandpa relied on Vaseline to tame unruly hair. Rub a pea-sized amount between your palms and smooth it through damp hair. Use a fine-tooth comb to distribute evenly, focusing on flyaways or dry ends. Vaseline locks in moisture and provides a sleek, controlled look without harsh chemicals. Its petroleum base coats hair strands, preventing breakage and dryness. Use sparingly to avoid buildup. If too much is applied, wash with a clarifying shampoo to remove excess residue. Scrub elbows and knees with lemon. Brighten rough elbows and knees with lemon. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle baking soda or sugar on the exposed side. Rub the lemon directly onto dry areas using circular motions. The citric acid exfoliates dead skin, while natural oils provide hydration. Let the juice sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. Follow up with a thick moisturizer or coconut oil to lock in hydration. Use coconut oil as aftershave. Grandpa always kept his skin smooth with coconut oil after shaving. Warm a small amount between your hands and gently massage it onto freshly shaved skin. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties calm razor irritation and prevent bumps. Lauric acid naturally hydrates while forming a protective barrier against dryness. Unlike alcohol-based aftershaves, coconut oil won't sting or dry out the skin. Apply before bed to let it absorb overnight, leaving skin soft and nourished by morning. Iron with vinegar water. Vinegar water refreshes clothes while ironing. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist fabric before ironing, allowing the heat to release wrinkles and remove lingering odors. The acetic acid in vinegar breaks down stubborn creases and dissolves detergent buildup. It also acts as a natural fabric softener. Use on cotton, linen, or wool for the best results. Apple cider vinegar for dandruff. Fight dandruff naturally with apple cider vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water. Then massage into your scalp after shampooing. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. The acetic acid in vinegar balances scalp pH, reducing yeast buildup that causes flakes. Its antibacterial properties also soothe itchiness. Repeat twice a week for the best results. If the smell is too strong, follow with a light conditioner. Rinse mouth with salt water. A saltwater rinse soothes mouth irritations. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a warm glass of water. Swish for 30 seconds, then spit. Salt helps draw out bacteria and reduce swelling, making it effective for sore throats, gum irritation, and minor mouth sores. Its natural antiseptic properties prevent infections and promote healing. Use this simple rinse twice a day for fresh breath and a healthier mouth. Avoid swallowing as it may cause dehydration. Pumice stone for calluses. Smooth rough calluses with a pumice stone. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes to soften the skin. Wet the pumice stone and gently rub it over thickened areas in circular motions. The stone's porous surface exfoliates dead skin, revealing softer feet. Rinse and apply a rich moisturizer or petroleum jelly to lock in hydration. Repeat twice a week for noticeable results. Avoid over-scrubbing, Grandpa advised, as it can cause irritation or sensitivity. Wash face with cold water in the morning. Cold water refreshes and tightens the skin. Splash your face with cold water right after waking up to reduce puffiness and stimulate circulation. The low temperature constricts blood vessels, minimizing redness and making pores appear smaller. This simple step also prevents excess oil production throughout the day. Pat dry with a soft towel and follow up with a lightweight moisturizer. Drink warm lemon water. Start your day with warm lemon water for digestion and hydration. Squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water and drink on an empty stomach. The vitamin C boosts immunity, while citric acid stimulates digestive enzymes. This practice also flushes toxins and alkalizes the body. Regular consumption may improve skin clarity and metabolism. For added benefits, mix in honey or a pinch of cayenne pepper. Always floss before brushing. Did you know that flossing before brushing removes more plaque? Use about 18 inches of floss, wrapping it around your fingers and gently gliding it between teeth in a C shape. Follow with brushing to remove loosened debris. This routine prevents cavities, freshens breath, and reduces gum inflammation. Rinsing afterward helps wash away any remaining plaque. Keep soap in the closet. A simple bar of soap keeps clothes smelling fresh. Place an unwrapped bar of scented soap in your closet or dresser drawers. The porous surface slowly releases fragrance, neutralizing musty odors and preventing dampness. Lavender or cedar varieties also repel moths. To extend the scent, lightly scrape the surface every few weeks. Swapping the soap every few months ensures continuous freshness. Baby powder as dry shampoo. Refresh greasy hair with baby powder. Sprinkle a small amount onto your roots. Let it sit for a minute, then brush through. The fine powder absorbs excess oil, leaving hair looking clean and voluminous. For darker hair, mix with a bit of cocoa powder to prevent a white cast. The starch in baby powder lifts grease without stripping moisture. Epsom salt baths for aches. Soothe sore muscles with an Epsom salt bath. Dissolve 2 cups of Epsom salt in warm bath water and soak for at least 15 minutes. The magnesium sulfate absorbs through the skin, reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation. This helps ease muscle tension, joint pain, and even stress. Soak feet in tea for odor. Eliminate foot odor with a tea soak. Brew 3 to 4 black tea bags in hot water. Let it cool, then soak your feet for 20 minutes. The tannins in tea tighten skin pores, reducing sweat and bacterial growth that cause odor. Regular use also helps toughen skin, preventing blisters. Polish shoes with banana peel. Shine leather shoes naturally with banana peels. Rub the inside of a fresh peel over your shoes in circular motions, allowing the natural oils and potassium to condition the leather. Afterward, buff with a soft cloth to remove any residue and enhance the shine. The peel's moisture prevents cracking while adding a protective layer. Avoid using overly ripe peels as they can be too mushy. Use a wooden comb instead of plastic. Switch to a wooden comb for healthier hair. Unlike plastic, wood doesn't generate static, which helps prevent frizz and breakage. Wooden combs also distribute natural scalp oils more evenly, keeping hair moisturized. Use it on dry or damp hair, starting from the ends and working upward to detangle gently. Oatmeal for dry skin. Soothe dry, itchy skin with an oatmeal soak. Blend a cup of plain oats into a fine powder, then add it to warm bath water. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the oats' beta-glucans and antioxidants to create a protective moisture barrier. Pat your skin dry and follow with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Oatmeal helps relieve eczema, sunburn, and irritation. Avoid touching your face. Did you know that touching your face transfers bacteria? Keep hands clean and avoid resting them on your chin or cheeks. If you must touch your face, use a tissue or wash your hands first. Regularly disinfect your phone and pillowcases, as they also collect bacteria. Breaking the habit reduces acne, irritation, and skin infections. Use warm water before shaving, cold after. Improve your shaving routine with water temperature. Rinse your skin with warm water before shaving to soften hair and open pores, reducing irritation. Apply shaving cream and use gentle strokes with a sharp razor. Afterward, rinse with cold water to tighten pores and calm the skin. This minimizes redness and prevents ingrown hairs. For an added soothing effect, apply an alcohol-free aftershave or aloe vera. Dry feet thoroughly. Keep feet dry to prevent fungal infections. After showering, use a clean towel to dry between your toes, as moisture trapped there encourages bacteria and fungus. If prone to sweaty feet, apply cornstarch or talcum powder to absorb excess moisture. Wearing moisture-wicking socks helps too. Proper foot hygiene reduces the risk of athlete's foot and unpleasant odors. For extra protection, let feet air out before putting on socks or shoes. Brush teeth with salt or charcoal. Use salt or charcoal as a natural alternative to toothpaste. Wet your toothbrush. Dip it into fine salt or activated charcoal powder, then brush as usual. Salt acts as a mild abrasive that scrubs away plaque, while charcoal binds to toxins and stains, whitening teeth over time. Rinse thoroughly and use it only a few times a week to prevent enamel damage. Rub feet with vinegar. Combat foot odor and fungus with vinegar. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts warm water and soak your feet for 15 minutes. The acetic acid in vinegar neutralizes bacteria and softens calluses. Pat dry and follow with a moisturizer to keep skin smooth. If your feet are extra dry, apply a bit of coconut oil after soaking. Doing this a few times a week keeps feet fresh and healthy. Always dry towels in the sun. Damp towels breed bacteria and mildew. After washing, hang them outside under direct sunlight, as Grandpa always did to naturally disinfect and freshen them. The sun's UV rays kill germs while eliminating musty odors. If drying indoors, use a well-ventilated space to prevent dampness. Wash clothes with borax. Boost your laundry routine with borax. Add half a cup to your regular detergent before washing to break down stains, deodorize, and soften hard water. Borax enhances cleaning power by making detergent more effective, removing stubborn odors and residue buildup. It's especially useful for white clothes, keeping them bright without bleach. Avoid using it on delicate fabrics like silk or wool. Sprinkle baking soda in shoes. Eliminate shoe odor with baking soda. Before bed, sprinkle a generous amount inside each shoe and shake it around to distribute evenly. Let it sit overnight to absorb moisture and neutralize bacteria. In the morning, dump out the excess powder and wipe the insides with a dry cloth. Baking soda's alkaline properties break down acidic sweat, preventing unpleasant smells. Baking soda as deodorant. Stay fresh naturally with baking soda. Dab a small amount onto dry underarms using a powder puff or your fingers. Its ability to absorb moisture and neutralize odor-causing bacteria makes it an effective alternative to store-bought deodorants. If you have sensitive skin, mix baking soda with cornstarch for a gentler application. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.